In this video, I will guide you through how to troubleshoot and resolve issues on your WordPress site that may be caused by plugin or theme conflicts. The most common errors you might experience include the error message, "There has been a critical error on this website," the white screen of death, which is a blank white error page, too many redirects, as well as other errors or unexpected behavior. Let's look at how to track down the cause and what to do once you find it. One effective way to diagnose and resolve issues on your site is to use the Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin. The plugin will put your site in troubleshooting mode. In troubleshooting mode, all your plugins are disabled and a default theme is activated, but only for you as a logged in user. Visitors to your site won't see any changes. To get started, navigate to Plugins and then click Add Plugin. Search for Health Check and Troubleshooting and hit Enter. Then we can open up the plugin and install and activate it on our site. Scroll down to the activated plugin and click Troubleshoot. This will enable troubleshooting mode. When you click on Available Themes, you will notice that a default theme has already been activated. This helps establish whether your usual theme is the source of the problem. So let's go ahead and reactivate our theme. And then let's check out our site on the front end. If the error disappears with the default theme active but reappears when you activate your own theme, then the theme is the problem. But if the error doesn't appear when using either theme, then there is a problem with a plugin. The next step is to reactivate one plugin at a time. This allows you to identify which plugin is triggering the issue. In this instance, we will keep our theme activated. Let's make our way to available plugins and also show any remaining plugins. Then it is time to enable our first plugin. Once enabled, check your site after each activation. If there is no error, you know that plugin is not the culprit. Return to available plugins and activate the next one. When the problem returns after enabling a specific plugin, you have found the cause, which means we can disable troubleshooting mode. And of course, deactivate the plugin or replace the theme you determined to be the source of the issue. If you don't want to use the Health Check and Troubleshooting plugin, you can also manually deactivate plugins and themes. You can do this on your normal site, but I suggest using a staging site. This is a private copy of your site where you can run tests without affecting your visitors. If you haven't set up your staging site yet, click the WordPress logo, top left, to make your way to your sites list. Select the relevant site, and at the top below the site title, click Add Staging Site. Once added, you can select your staging site on the left, and then click My Home to open the staging site. A safe environment to troubleshoot. Now we will make our way to Plugins and open our installed plugins. Then we can bulk select all our plugins, click on Bulk Actions, select Deactivate, and then click Apply. Then you can reactivate them one by one, checking your site each time to see if the issue occurs. And if it occurs when a specific plugin is reactivated, you've identified the conflict. You can also switch your staging site to a default theme by going to Appearance, clicking on Themes, and then searching for a default theme, in this case the 2025 theme, and then activating it on your staging site to check whether your theme is the source of the problem. When you have found the plugin or theme causing the error, you can deactivate it on your live site. Most plugins and some themes are developed and supported by third-party vendors. Once you have identified the plugin or the theme that is causing the issue, you can reach out to them directly. If you need to contact a plugin developer, go to the relevant plugin and click View Details. Then you can make your way to the plugin page and click Support. And from here, you will be able to log in and create a topic. But some third-party themes and plugins also provide direct support on their website. All the best with troubleshooting your site.